Alrighty, we should be live now. Hello, chat. I'm doing some stuff here. Let's see here. No, is it this one? Yeah, probably. Yeah, well, sort of. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the normal one. I'm gonna go with this one, right? Yeah, that looks fine enough. Cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with this. Right. So, hello, chat. I'm finishing this fucking thing here, the fucking navigation thingy that we started like yesterday, and that I was going to finish today. And then I spent some time on it earlier today. Didn't stream that, of course. And let's make sure. Yeah, so I just did not spend the time on it earlier today, right? Like, I don't even know. Right? I'm in a bit of a weird period at the moment where I'm not. My ability to focus is greatly varied between. It's just super, like, inconsistent at the moment, which is super annoying. Because, like, I have been locked in now for like an hour and a half, and actually like properly doing this thing here and stuff and writing the things that I was supposed to write before earlier in the day, which is super, super annoying. I'm not like entirely sure what I'll do about it just yet. We'll figure it out. But yeah, it's just one of those periods where my brain have decided to function in the evening instead of during the day as much. I don't particularly like that. But regardless, so what we're doing here is we're doing, let me see, put this in here maybe, bring this in here. So we're doing the last bits and pieces. I think a part of the problem this time around was that I was attempting to, I don't have that up anymore. Yes, this one here, right? No, well, yes, kind of that one, but more so this one here, right? So I generated this very, very nice, like, skeleton structure to follow, and I just didn't like it, right? I just think that this thing is a bit much, and in ways which I just like. I just don't like. Like, this is just too much, right? And I haven't done the things here, and it's blah, right? Like, this is more than is required, and it's just like filling this out felt weird and bad, right? Hence, probably why I didn't do it, and why I sort of got stuck in a, oh, I don't really know I want to do this, right? It just took my brain like 2 days or something to just like discard this and just essentially just, where's my Google Doc here? Right, just literally just rewrite this part here, which I've rewritten like 3 times, and now I'm sort of happy with it somewhat. I've moved around some things on these maps here, or specifically this one, right? Some of these circles here were like just a little bit off. I just sort of moved points around on things, so the actual like vertices are actually lined up a little bit better. That was super annoying. Okay, let me just remove these things here. Right, and then yeah, sure. Just gonna put them here like this. Hmm. Because on some of these you can actually see what's going on, and others you really can't. But yeah, okay, so that's fine there. Can you guys still hear me? I couldn't hear myself there for a second. Okay, looks fine. Yeah. So we're doing the last bit, which here, yeah. So the A star bit here. Let me just move this. Can this fucking thing move? Please go away. Thank you. Yeah. So we're just implementing essentially. We're just doing the A star algorithm. Yeah. List your computation steps step by step and show the resulting path in your Veronipo graph. Again, if you work on paper, take a picture and send that in. What decisions, e.g., on rules or heuristics in addition to the ones used by A star itself, did you need to make? Yeah, because the fucking star is not on the path. It's pretty close by, but it's not on the path. This fucking thing is, but you know. So I would just say move to the closest node. Um, Well, we could, yeah. Well, here are those guys, right? And they have unobstructed views, so So now we're going to do the computational parts of it, which I like. So Elin went through him on the lecture in a not a super great fashion. Um, I don't know if the link of the thing. Let me have a look here for a moment. Oh yeah, I saw that Darren Studies was live, so I felt pretty inspired. Hence why I decided to turn the stream on. Last leg of the journey here. Um, let's see here. Where did that thing go? So it shouldn't be here. It should be in this one, I think. Well, first of all, I'm just gonna kill this thing. I think. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill that one. So here, then we go here, and then this one. Yeah. So I was just reading through because this link was given on the thing for the A-star. The A-star gathering stripped of the code is fairly simple. There are two sets, open and closed. The open set contains the nodes that are currently in programming. View values can be lower, and if so, you reopen it. Okay. Yeah, stuff, set representation, things. Yeah, so he's doing it in code here. And things. I'm sorry, my throat hurts a little bit. Variations and things. Best article on the internet. Probably do not agree, but it might have been true 12 years ago. Who am I to say? Generally, the parts I read, I skimmed through. So I mean, I have worked with A Star in the past, in a couple of different courses, I think. We implemented A Star in like the first programming course I took back in high school. That was fun. That was a bit much for for how much programming we had learned at the time. It's actually kind of crazy. That course was difficult in ways which is like a little weird. Like that teacher was ambitious, which was entirely necessary because we had to go from not being able to programming at all to be able to program some simple games in like a pretty quick time frame, which I think was immensely useful. Um, and such. It was really, really fun. I look back at my time in high school. It's like, damn, this shit was good. And I think it was. I think it was. Connected to the nearest visible node slash edge with short segment. Name it S. In your sketch, it's not right at the D, so S equals D. It's nearest F. Is it? It is nearest F. I'm actually fucking impressed. Um, I am actually impressed by like a lot of people are super doomer about GPT-5. I have been nothing but impressed by its thinking model. Right, it is basically as good as it was before, if not better. Right, people say, "Oh, it's nerfs, it's dog shit now." Blah blah blah. I have not experienced that in my own personal life. Like any like help me break this thing down tasks that I've asked it to, to understand things better. I try to not have it finish tasks for me necessarily, because I mean at that point you're not learning as much as you could, right? But just have it like explain or like go through a thing, to help me break things down some amount of time is super useful. It's been immensely useful for that. Um, like I have had nothing but good experiences with GPT-5. I'm sure I haven't exclusively used Thinking Model. I used to think about a lot of the time. It's a little bit frustrating to use because it is fucking slow. But like O3 and 4.0 were also slow. They were. You have to remember that. But I feel like this fucker is slower. But I don't know if that's true, right? And I could probably be using auto to a larger degree than I am. It's just that I really like the reassurance of knowing that it's really thought about the answer it's giving me. But yes, it does make the user experience slightly worse. Yeah, pick a heuristic. I did. Okay, let's read through here. List the graph nodes and edges. Write down each edge you drew. Only where the green line actually connects to two purple nodes. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it just says write down all the combinations of those things. I mean, I'm fucking impressed that it like actually analyzes the image, knows what it's talking about, and just says do the things. You can't actually go between A and B. Um, in reality, I mean, it looks like that in the graph, but they're not actually able to be connected. Yeah, so I'm just not gonna list A and B as a combination. I can actually move them slightly apart. Oh lord, well, you guys can see what I'm doing. Here, right. So here, these points aren't actually connected. Oh no, I accidentally deleted it. Go here. Can I zoom in? Can I like, make sure that they at least are a little bit separated like that? Because they are. I mean, it looks it looks like I did fucking nothing. But in my heart of hearts, I know that you can't go there, which is fine because the robot is too fat, you know. But yeah, it's fine. It can looks like you can, but you can't. It's fine. Yeah, because the you could actually go up to the things there, you know, like that's true. Whatever. Can't you move like further up here? No, I guess you can't, right? I mean, we have the fucking circles here to prove. I mean, I didn't really draw them, but yeah, it will go like that. There's a can draw a little like fucking circle here and show that it will look like that. Boom, just place it like this, you know. So yeah, it will essentially be like fine. I'm not placing the circle on the thing. It'll look something like this. It's fine. It's good enough. I do not care to make it better. It is more than good enough. A lot more than good enough. I am super happy with. Sure, whatever. Can this thing die? So we move this thing here, and now, okay. Just snap these fucking things. Like, sure, we could also do it in other ways, like fucking, fucking go down there or something. Can I just like do that on here? Just have him move here. That's his new place. Right, like that's fine, and just name him like star or goal. You know, I mean, you can just move to the things. It's fine. Um, yeah, whatever. Okay. Yeah, like fine. Those things are okay. Or sketch exactly. All right, so you're just giving the E to A, G to F. I mean, I think it has most of them are H to G. It says that in B there, which I understand it's doing. B to C, yeah. So I think it actually has listed out most of them. C to D, yeah, yeah, yeah. Like A to E. What is it? If you do any diagonals like A to E or C to G, include them. If not, omit. E and C to G, C to G. I'm not entirely sure what it's meaning by that, but yeah, write down all the fucking nodes and edges. That makes sense. Yeah, because those are things. Yeah, yeah. Um, because all of these guys have costs, which you can like. How closely should I actually like calculate them? What does the thing say about it? Can this thing like not be terrible, please? Okay, be big. Uh-huh. Apply your A star and run a graph on the previous tasks to find your way from start to goal. Use the grid of the map to measure distance. Diagonal moves are allowed if you do not have to go entirely by Manhattan distances. You pass for a cell at 45-degree angles, but otherwise every cell touch counts as a distance one step. Take your computation step by step and show the resulting path from your Verona graph. Again, if you yeah, sure. And yeah, okay. So let me go here. Big here, and we're just gonna like roughly um roughly count them. So I'm just gonna take a, can this thing like work? Let's go with a nice pink and just go. Why doesn't it work? Oh, because it's dog shit. That's why. Alright, well we won't do it with that then. Just give me a color, bro. Just give me any color. It's not already on there. I don't like orange. Blue. I'm gonna go boom. 1, 2, 3. Fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We count this guy straight through them. I don't know. Maybe. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the goal there is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just call it 4, right? It's basically 4. The goal, and then here it's fucking like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2. It's like 13. Yes, it's basically like that. Yeah, that makes sense. It would be basically 13. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this part here is 6, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here this is basically 11. It doesn't even line up very well, man. Should I probably like snap them to the grid then? Is that what they want? I don't care. Oh, wait, why is it so dog shit? Please not be dog shit, man. Let me like line them up a little bit better. Why is this thing so bad, man? Can you just like connect, please? Thank you. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's like 15 here and then like 3 here. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's like 13, 2. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like, sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Call that 23. It's close enough. Um, just getting more and more annoyed at this. I don't know if this is like even. Yeah, I mean, I guess we'll need to calculate some sort of cost for them. Yeah. I mean, we can literally. I mean, I can do the same thing that I did with those things for all of the things. You know, you can do that. You can. I mean, you can fucking print it out and just fucking draw lines or whatever. Like it's all fine. You can do all of those things. Um, these things go away. Uh, yeah. Regardless. Okay, let's go pick this here. Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe this is fine. Um, I'm just like approximating them somewhat. Why did it like chop it up in two? Does bro think he's a fucking? Oh, that guy's not a line. Alright. I see. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're to reduce this guy by 1 here then. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, sort of. Maybe this one can be done a little better then. Or maybe not. I think it's good. Alright, wait. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 1. Alright. Fucking something like that. I don't know, man. I would need to, I don't know. Like, sure. I'm getting tired, Chad. I'm getting really tired. And then you just run for the algorithm. Yeah. Oh, I am losing steam. I'm losing steam. I really wanted to finish this thing here today, but I am losing steam fast. Yeah, right. And then can I get like a not red? That's not a great color for it. I like using that purple. Don't like using the orange. I need another color. Sure. So this guy's 5. This guy's 13. Which is 23. This guy is then 15. This guy here is then 3 plus 3, so this is 20, 21. 13 to there, and then 4 to there. Just place the gold node there. I think it's fine. Yeah, I don't know, something like this. Because now in all of them, just close enough. I don't know. Because now and then you do the calculations here. Because you add them all to the fucking set, right? Pick heuristic I did, and now you run this thing here. So you do open set here, which is your start, and then you add the things here, and then you loop the thing, right? Like yeah. I don't know what the fuck all of these things here are, but it's doing something. Must never overestimate the true cost. It will never, right? No. That will always be the shorter path. Boom, 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 go the actual path. So I think picking Euclidean distance, which, okay, yeah, they're literally safe here. Diag friendly is safe. Yeah. I'm just going to do the Euclidean, approximate the Euclidean distance. You know, I'm not going to sit here and actually calculate it. But, I mean, you could. Like, it's not hard in some ways. I mean, you can literally just take a ruler. It would have been, well, this part would have been slightly easier to do if I printed this out, actually, sort of, because then you could actually like draw these lines here. I mean, there is a ruler tool in here. I just think it's dog shit. Right? Here, where's 0? I don't know. You can like line it up like this, I suppose. Right, and then you can actually like see how long those things are and things. Like that. You know, so then you can like see how long they are and things. Which can be like, I mean, yeah, that's one other way of doing it because I have access to that. But it's shit. I fucking hate using that thing. It is one of those things. It's one of those tools that are like new in my brain. And as much as like that fucking thing arrived like 3 years ago, Just never incorporated into my workflow. So now it's just like whatever. But yeah, and then you put them in the set and the things. I want to finish this today. I'm not going to. I'm going to fucking sleep. I'm tired. Um, yeah. So, but thank you guys for watching. I suppose. How long did I even stream here? Like an hour? 30 minutes. It felt like a million years. I'm not gonna lie. It felt like absolute a million fucking years. But I locked in for a bit, which was good. I don't know, chat. I don't know. I do kind of know, but also don't. Um, I really shouldn't go home tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking. I really shouldn't go home tomorrow. I should just go to sleep and then wake up and go to school, go to campus. When is how does my schedule look like? Let's have a look at my schedule for a minute, chat, and let's think about this. So yeah, there's two scheduled things for the thing there, which I should go to those. So once I've turned the stream off here, I'm gonna sign up for. I'm gonna sign up for both. I'm probably fairly unlikely to be there at 8 in the morning because I mean it's almost 12 o'clock now, right? I mean I could wake up at 7. I probably should wake up at 7 realistically. It would be a good idea, right? Especially because tomorrow or on Friday I have obligations in the morning as well. So I should really be there, talk to them about some things, and then just like place down the last points and do that thing. I'm not promising that I will be there at 8 because I just probably won't, right? It'll sort of depend on how sleepy I feel when I actually get upstairs and things. Because now my brain will be still a little bit going, right? But I'm going to go to the thing there. I'm going to be at like 9 probably. That sounds more realistic and like a better option, honestly. Wait, fuck! I just realized, chat. I have things in here which need to go in there, in the fucking. Oh no! Well, they haven't. They have been out for a while, but not that long. Copium, copium, copium. All right, yeah, I'm gonna end this thing, put those in the thing, and then do the stuff. So yeah. This is my commitment message to be at school thing at like 9. That's the goal, and then show them the first robot studio, ask them a bit about the third one, and then finish that one, and then probably ask them a bit about cinematics things, and then sit with those tomorrow before the lecture thingy and stuff. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. I just need to lock the fucking chat.